Hello and welcome back to Manors after I think it's been 2 years, I'm not sure. We're back at Manors again for a bit. Seems like almost like an anniversary video, I guess, I don't know. And hopefully in a second, well literally any minute now, we're going to see Mosend PD GB rail freight down to Doncaster GB rail freight. And it's ran by 66 something, I did see it earlier, so we shall read the number in a second. Anyway. Cinema. Right, now here it comes on its way down to Doncaster with GB rail freight 66. Uh, 66736. Now making its way past, it's going to be an 800 down to London King's Cross with 801, I think that was 801228, and a lovely toot there. (801-208). Right now, sneaking its way through is a empty coaching service, and it's caught me off guard a little bit. I only just found it a second ago. It's going to be a 153-487. A lovely few toots there from the driver. Right now we have 5S16 with a ECS service. I'm assuming down to Newcastle from the depot. (802-209). Now making his way around, it's going to be 220-011 with a cross-country service to Aberdeen from Plymouth. 220-011. Right, now we have a TPE 802 with a service to Edinburgh, 802-209. It's the one I came through a second ago doing ECS. Right, now we have a cross-country Voyager on its way down to Plymouth from Edinburgh Waverley, and this one should be done today by 220-019. Lovely tone there from the driver as well. Alright, now we should have a 802 sneaking its way around on its way back to the depot here.
Oh, is it the same one?
No, it's not the same one. (802-208), which I think was the one we just seen. Right, now slowly making his way past is going to be an LNER Zoomer working from London King's Cross down to, up to Edinburgh Waverley. And this today shall be run by 801 202. A very, very busy looking train this. Right, now we have a Ellen Zuma on a service from Edinburgh Waverley down to London King's Cross. 801 225? No. It's flying for air today. 801 225, and how's Eleanor? Right, shortly making his way past is going to be the last train of the day, which is going to be a Ellen Zuma service from London King's Cross to Aberdeen. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this little short video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Oh, and it's 800 109.